Register as student. Each student has to register in University Academic Management System, which is one-time activity. After registration in AMS, the college admin will approve student using admin rights. AMS will help student in many ways like profile management, fee submission, details, etc. Student can submit their theses, can select courses segregated in major and minor disciplines, can request for certificates. Click on register. Select user type as student. Fill all the given mandatory information. Click on next. Click on preview and verify all the given information. Press submit. Student will get confirmation message and confirmation email regarding registration.